Hi, I am Nitin Chopra from Grocery.com, the daily online supermarket. Grocery.com is a digital grocery fulfillment solution which is feature loaded to build a sustainable business. Are you a serious entrepreneur and interested in creating a long-term and evergreen business? Grocery.com offers low-cost franchise and helps you to build up a profitable business in your city. Join us in the journey to create a network of interested budding entrepreneurs in building a successful online grocery business. This video is a continuation of our last video on unique selling and value propositions. Please find the link on your screen. Today's topic is marketing mix. According to Philip Kotler, a marketing mix is the mixture of controllable marketing variable that the enterprise uses to pursue the required level of sales in the target market. The success of online grocery shopping business revolves around 7 crucial P's of marketing: product, price, place, promotion, people, process, and physical evidence. How e-retailers develop effective strategy around 7 P's element of marketing mix determines how they can become main attraction of online consumers. We shall start our discussion with product. The main product in the marketing mix of an online grocery store is its mobile app, which will be accessed by users to buy grocery items online. It must deliver a minimum level of performance, otherwise even the best work on the other elements of the marketing mix won't do any good. Online grocery should have a complete range of essentials. Online grocery stores have to offer a complete range of grocery elements to influence users who are looking to buy a different items from one place. From groceries to daily product, personal beauty, hygiene to staple and meat products, online stores can't afford to lag behind others in terms of variety of brand offered. Some of the features which are presently offered are easy sign-in, simple account setup just by using a phone number through OTP verification, multiple address management. The user can manage multiple addresses in address list and choose one of them during placing the online order. In-app call support. User gets the handiness to call the concerned city franchise for instant support. Product attributes. User can view elaborate description of each product with multiple images. Wish list. The user can create their own list of personalized items for future reference. They can add these items instantly from the wish list without remembering item's name. Organize categories. Convenience for user to filter products based on product niche. Easy product search. User can simply search items based on item's name, keyword, or the categories used under search filters. Brand filtering. User can filter products based on favorite brands. Offer coupons. Users' shopping experience get enhanced by getting this benefit of offers. Delivery slot status. In-app user status for the available delivery slot timing before adding items to the basket. Delivery slot scheduling. User can schedule delivery time window as per the convenience. Multiple payment option. The user can make online payments, cash on delivery or swipe on delivery as per their convenience. Contactless delivery. User can see the image of the packaged order at the doorstep in their app. Pilot and vehicle details. User can view the delivery agent and vehicle details on the way to delivery. In-app pilot call. User can call assigned delivery agent on delivery. Transaction ledger. User can keep a tab on the daily expenses and spending. User can use the old ledger balance for new purchase. Pop-up push or SMS notification. User gets notification of order status and other important information. Order tracking. User can track the order. As soon as the order is on the way, user can follow it in the app. Instant return and auto invoice generation. The invoice is generated on actual item accepted by the user after initiating or recalculating returns. Subscription management. User can subscribe to membership plan for daily dedicated delivery slot and no minimum order. Brand awareness. User gets familiar with the qualities or images of a particular brand of goods or services. Niche product catalog. User gets exposed to catalog of product with specific niche. Order cancellation. User gets the convenience of cancelling order from the app. As we are completely dedicated in developing online grocery ecosystem, we are updating features and adding feature based on deep market research. Second is, now we'll come to price. Pricing is a crucial factor that determines how frequent online user will buy groceries from the particular e-grocery store. Competitive rates, nominal delivery charges will encourage households to buy more groceries from the particular e-store. Price depends on purchase price of the listed products, segment of customer targeted, ability of the market to pay, supply and demand, and host of other direct and indirect factors. There can be several types of pricing strategies, each tied in with each other. Third, we'll come to the point of place. Better internet connectivity and affordable smartphones has allowed people in rural area to online shopping. It means that more area of the city you can cover to deliver groceries, the better it will be for your business. In every industry, catching the eye of the consumer and making it easy for them to buy is the main aim of the strategy. Now we'll come to point number 4, promotion. Promoting your online grocery business through social media platforms, digital and media marketing campaigns to create brand awareness is crucial for ensuring that your online grocery service is known to maximum users in your city. Fifth, we'll come to the point of people. Online grocery delivery is an operation-oriented business, so it has to have a positive and result-oriented team that can work tirelessly to go above the beyond customers' expectation. From delivery agent to customer service staff, all members need to work cohesively towards a common goal of complete customer satisfaction. Sixth, we'll come to the point of process. To ensure speedy delivery of orders received on customer specific timings, there should be an underlying process. This includes right area segmentation of the city, allocation of delivery slot timing to areas, limiting order accumulation against delivery slot timings, onboarding of right manufacturer, wholesaler and stockist assigned nearest to the delivery area. Designing delivery vehicle cargo deck for the proper delivery crate stacking, appropriate delivery crate marking or barcoding. Increasing delivery efficiency. 7, we'll come to the point of physical evidence. Physical evidence is how you assure your customers of the quality of your service. This includes quality of goods delivered, quality of packing, timely delivery, behavior of delivery guys, customer service staff, and etc. Marketing mix is the root of marketing process. Marketing mix involves many crucial decisions related to each element of the mix. The impact of the mix will be the best when proper weight age is assigned to each element and they can integrate it so that the combined effect leads to best results. Marketing mix has to be reviewed constantly in order to meet the changing requirement. The marketing manager has to constantly review the mix and conditions of the market and make necessary changes in the marketing mix according to changes in the condition and complexity of the market. Changes in external environment necessitate alteration in the mix. Changes keep on taking place in the external environment. For many industries, the customer is the most fluctuating variable of environment. Customers' taste and preference change very fast. Brand loyalty and purchasing power also changes over a period. The marketing manager has to carry out marketing analysis constantly to make necessary changes in the marketing mix. Changes take place with the firm also necessitate changes in the marketing mix. Changes with the firm mix takes place due to the technological changes, changes in the product line or changes in the size and scale of the operation. Such changes call for similar changes in the marketing mix also. What is common to all 7 elements? The common thing is concentrate on customers. A thorough understanding of the customer is common to all the 7 elements. The focus point of marketing mix is the customer, and the marketing mix is expected to provide maximum customer satisfaction. Pricing strategy is the tactic that companies uses to increase sales and maximize profits by selling their goods and services. Pricing products is one of the most exciting and complex exercises. Utilizing an effective online price strategy requires both a test and learn mentality paired with the initial feel for how you would like your brand and products to be perceived. In an online marketplace, the price of a product can captivate the interest of the customer or make them excite to another website. Pricing strategy is an effective drive of growing profits and influencing inventory turnover. We will extend our 4 tricks, different pricing strategy that can be implemented, supported by our technology system. It shall be customized as per franchisee financial capabilities and marketing skills. Marketing strategy has to be reviewed constantly in order to meet the changing requirement. A dedicated marketing manager will constantly review the mix and conditions of the market and make necessary changes in the marketing mix according to changes in the condition and complexity of the market. We are your right business and technology partner who is dedicatedly working on developing an online grocery ecosystem. Become our city franchisee. To know more about franchise, visit franchise.grocery.com. Give a missed call or WhatsApp on 83-890-99119. Type the message franchise followed by your name, gender, age and city of interest. We shall call you back within 24 hours. Please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon for future notification of fresh videos on this subject. Like and comment on this video if you feel it's helpful. Kindly share it if you want to help others. Meet you in my next video. Goodbye and take care. Bye.